Perfectly negative. Mastering negative sentences in present perfect continuous tense. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to delve into a crucial and exciting part of English grammar, the present perfect continuous tense. However, our specific focus will be on negative sentences. More importantly, we'll be learning about the common time expressions that go along with these sentences. The present perfect continuous tense is a tense that describes an action that started in the past and is still going on, or has just stopped, and has consequences in the present. In a negative form, this tense can indicate that an action or situation has not been happening for a period of time up to now. For instance, she has not been playing the piano for 2 hours. Here, has not been playing is our present perfect continuous verb in negative form, which indicates that the action of playing the piano did not happen. When it comes to present perfect continuous tense, especially in negative form, we often use certain time expressions to specify the duration of time for which the action has not been happening. Some of these time expressions are for, e.g., for 2 days, for a week. Since, e.g., since yesterday, since 2010. All day per week per month per year. The whole day per week per month per year. For instance, I have not been living here for 2 years. Here, for 2 years is the time expression that shows the duration of time the action did not occur. Now that we know the basics, let's look at some examples and understand how we use these time expressions in negative sentences. 1. She has not been reading the book all day. 2. They have not been traveling since 2019. 3. We have not been running for an hour. 4. I have not been studying the whole week. In all these examples, notice how the time expressions fit perfectly to indicate the duration of the inactivity. And that's a wrap for today, folks. You've successfully learned about negative sentences in the present perfect continuous tense and the common time expressions used with them. Remember, mastering any language is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to proficiency. So keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll see the improvement in no time. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!